Welcome to the Penny Stock and Cryptocurrency Survival Guide. Before we get into the class itself, I want to give you a little bit of context. The class I put together several years ago, but the key thing here is that the class is about emotions and psychology. And with emotions and psychology, because we're human beings, they've always been around and they will always be around. So what you learn about has been valuable, still is valuable, and will be valuable in the future because we're humans. We're always going to have anger, greed, overconfidence, sorrow, freaking out. All those things have always been around and will always be around. And the key is when you understand those dynamics, as cruel and mean as it sounds, you can leverage those dynamics against other people. If you understand how other people are feeling, how other people are viewing different circumstances, then like I said, you can leverage that to put profit in your pocket. Yes, that sounds mean, but that's how the financial markets work. It's understanding how other people are feeling and believing and then using that to your advantage. The other note is that this course is based around penny stocks, but please realize this for you crypto traders. Anytime I say the word penny stock, you realize that you can and should replace that with a cryptocurrency. Anytime I'm talking about an exact penny stock, please realize you can and should insert in any sort of coin that you may be looking at, because the emotions and psychology is a perfect parallel between penny stocks and cryptocurrency markets. And it's a way that you need to go into surviving penny stock trading, crypto trading, or maybe you're going to do both. But you better understand how what I call the wilderness works, because if you can understand the wilderness, you're going to give yourself a way better opportunity to make money as a whole. So let's go to my desktop and let's get into the class.
Well. First off, congratulations for keeping up and listening to my voice for this long of time. I did not think that each of these videos would be as long as they did, but at the same token, we're hanging out. I'm not just going to stop the conversation because the conversation is going on too long. There's plenty of stuff that I talked about, and it went out a little bit longer than I thought, but I don't feel bad about it, and hopefully you feel like it was all good value. But good job. We made it through the course. And, I'm not trying to get sappy or anything like that. I have no ulterior motive here. You've already paid me, to be blunt, so it's not like I'm trying to get, any money from you again. But I did have a good time, and as much as I'm staring here talking into a microphone, it's one of those things where I was very laid back. I was just myself. I really did treat it like we were hanging out. So it's kind of like a little friendship that we've built. That probably sounds kind of weird. I can't really explain it, but putting this course together, I've just been talking into the microphone, and you're kind of that microphone. You're who I've been hanging out with, talking with, and it's been a good time. I've enjoyed myself. Hopefully, it's all made sense. Hopefully, you have an idea of what's going on, and if you don't, please contact me, email me. Hit me up on social media. I'm more than happy to help you out if you don't understand something. I definitely want to do that. So if you are still unsure about something, I want you to know, I am here to answer questions. And this video is going to be very strong. I just want you to be confident. It all starts with confidence. You know how the penny stock market works. You've gone through it all. You know the penny stock cycle. You know all the characters. You know how the food pyramid works. You understand the misconceptions. You've been through it all. We've covered it all. And at the end of the day, it all boils back to the penny stock equation. As long as that belief is greater than reality, then we have opportunity. How the belief is created, why it's created, where it came from, it doesn't matter. It's all about the belief. And as long as it's greater than reality, and we all know reality is these things are, pieces of steaming garbage, doesn't matter, because when those Kool-Aid is flowing, belief is going to be stronger than reality, and that's what's going to give us opportunity. So, where did the belief come from? Why is there a belief? What is the belief? Sure, it's nice to know, and, it's not going to do you any harming in knowing, but just don't believe it. Remember, don't believe in that stuff. Believe in belief itself. That's the key. It's all about the penny stock equation. Just remember, we're looking for those opportunities, and the only opportunities out there are when the Kool-Aid is flowing, the belief is strong, and it's greatly outweighing that reality. So again, thank you for listening. I really did have a good time. And, if you have any questions, certainly reach out to me. And, good job. Thanks for bearing with me. And just remember, penny stock wilderness, you are now the hunter. You are not the one being hunted. So get out there and make some money.
Well, I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please do a couple things for me. Hit that like button and leave a comment below, even if you just say thanks. Also, go to claytrader.com/team, and if you want to join my private community that's got all sorts of added benefits, you can learn more at that link, then please join. I'd love to have you. It's very cost effective, and like I said, if you want to surround yourself with other quality, like-minded people such as yourself, then I hope you give it some consideration. But again, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and leave a comment down below.